welcome to my awesome baking show. This is episode 3. Today we have a special guest, my friend Alan.
Thank you, Brittany. I'm happy to be here to help you. I'm Alan. I work at Weis. I'm in the bakery. I like to bake cookies, parfaits, strawberry dessert cake, parfaits, cookies, cupcakes. I like to do cake, making cake, cupcakes.
Preheat your oven to 325 in a medium bowl. Mix 1 1/2 cup sugar. Three-quarter cups of flour.
It has to be even. Almost there. Now,
2 cups of cocoa powder.
okay, 2.
Half cup of powdered sugar. Three-quarter teaspoons of salt. Half a cup of chocolate chips. Now we whisk
Dry ingredients.
Dry ingredients.
Yeah, cover the white stuff so you won't show the white stuff. It's okay, it's not a good idea to have lumps, but we're trying to work on it. See right here, little white stuff, you gotta get to that.
In our mixing bowl, we need to add 2 large eggs. Half cup of oil. 2 tablespoons of water. Half teaspoon of vanilla. Add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients and mix.
First, butter the pan and put some parchment paper on there. Said it won't stick into the pan. It'll stick to the pan. It said it won't. It said it won't stick to the pan. It'll make protected brownies. It'll baked up very good.
Our batter will be thick, and that's okay.
Now we put the batter in the pan. You gotta put all of it in. Make sure you got everything in that pan. It takes a lot of muscle to do that. Just put it in there. If you can't do it, keep trying. You gotta make sure put all this batter in there. You have to smooth it out really good. It takes some muscle, but you gotta get used to it. It's hard, but just keep smoothing it out. You keep smoothing it out, you get a better shape. Or not. It's okay to paper move. It'll protect the pan, protect the brownies from sticking. Slide it right in. Watch your fingers so you won't get burnt. Then close the oven. Bake your brownies for 40 to 48 minutes.
Cheers! Good job helping me today.
Thank you so much. I'm happy to be here, Brittany.
Okay. Thanks for watching. See you next time.